Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. My name is Lauren Loudon, and I am a product manager at LabSphere. Today, I'm going to be discussing our integrating sphere, luminance, and radiance uniform sources. Helios Plus. At LabSphere, we understand that successful optical and imaging sensing system calibrations need innovative hardware and software architectures to integrate seamlessly with your existing infrastructure while also accommodating your unique testing designs. LabSphere's Helios Plus line of luminance and radiance uniform light sources meet these needs by delivering a flexible and adaptive system architecture. So I want to start with what we call Helios Plus AS. The AS stands for application specific. And it means that we can meet you wherever you are on your calibration journey. And we can tailor a bespoke integrating sphere system for your calibration needs. Helios Plus AS is more than a system. It's a capability, and it exemplifies our commitment to delivering scalable luminance and radiance sources that meet the unique applications of your technology. By leveraging the modularity of Helios Plus components and the simplicity of LabSphere's Helios Plus system configuration software, we can easily tailor the Helios Plus AS platform to meet your specific testing needs. You'll work directly with our leading optical team as we help you determine the modular components and integrating sphere size that's right for your application. You'll experience a consultative design approach with a cross-functional team of engineers, scientists, and application specialists. We'll walk you through photometric, thermal, and mechanical modeling and simulations of your system as we move ahead together with the design. LabSphere's A family, on the other hand, are perfect if you're looking for an off-the-shelf solution that enables you to test as you fly at albedo sunlight levels. So the A family or AMA family are our albedo systems. The A family allows you to confirm all your testing with a classic QTH source, but it's augmented with a traceable solar-like light source to give you that additional boost in the lower region of the spectrum. The Helios Plus AMA family, the A family systems, are the ultimate expression of uniform calibration source technology, allowing you to test with spectrums and levels that are equivalent to solar outputs. So you can optimize your system, and this is true for most systems. You actually have more options in some of the other Helios Plus families. You can optimize your A family with either a 12-inch or 20-inch SpectraFlect spheres or a 12-inch Spectralon sphere. It comes equipped with a thermally stable 150-watt external QTH source. And there are some additional optical features that enhance the mixing into the sphere. This system can either ship with a plasma or xenon source to give you some increased color temperature options. And there is a UV model to boost in the UV slightly. And so one of the features of a lot of LabSphere's Helios Plus systems is the ability to adjust the light level at your exit port by attenuating your signal on a variable attenuator. This allows you to change your light level without affecting the color temperature of the outgoing light. And again, you get some really nice dynamic range on this system. And you're monitoring your the output with a silicon detector. And that also is used to provide a feedback loop in the software that allows for some stability measurements. In addition, the spectral output of this system is monitored with one of our CDS spectrometers. So now moving into our dynamic range systems, known as our DR systems. Our DR systems are designed for whether you are testing a simple CMOS sensors or multiple gain stage focal plane arrays. You'll find that the maximum flexibility in the D family system and component options are ideal. The Helios Plus DR D family systems are classic QTH-based calibration sources that are designed for extreme dynamic ranges. There are multiple lamps and attenuators and detector choices on the system that allow you to move effortlessly from sunlight to night vision levels. So here you can see we've added an additional sphere size in the 8-inch in both our SpectraFlect and Spectralon models. So you can choose from an 8 to 20-inch sphere or 8 to 12-inch in Spectralon. You have the same thermally stable 150-watt source as you have on the A family. Note here that you have 2 options for internal halogen sources, ranging from 35 watt to 150 watt. And again, the combined effect of these is a 3000K QTH black body light spectrum. And again, you have the same attenuator functionality where you can adjust the outgoing, the exit light, the outgoing light levels without affecting the color temperature of your light. And again, here we have extreme dynamic range going all the way from albedo 1 down to night vision levels. And the system output is being monitored by a silicon detector. And you have the same feedback loop or hunt and seek functionality. The LL family or the L family systems, LL, stand for low light level. And these are classic QTH-based calibration sources that are designed for night vision sensor testing. And so whether you're working at near daylight levels or down to the SNR limited night vision light levels, the L family will work in your calibration lab. This system has a dual detector option that allows you to monitor the light levels at the low light end and the high end, the daylight end of your dynamic range. So again, we have the 8, 12, or 20-inch options in SpectraFlect and the 8 and 12-inch options in Spectralon. This system is equipped with a satellite sphere that has a few light options attached to it to give you these very low light levels. And there are some internal halogen lamps down here that will give you the higher end of your dynamic range toward the daylight levels. These can be powered off when you're trying to reach the extremely low light level. This is producing a 2856K illuminant A spectrum. And again, you have a nice variable attenuator to attenuate that light level and change it without affecting its spectral output. And again, the goal here is to go from near daylight levels all the way down towards the noise floor. So you're getting down to SNR limited night vision light levels. And key here is the dual detector system that allows you to monitor at both ends of your dynamic range. And so finally, we have our V family, or the variable modular family. And the Helios Plus VM V family systems are simple yet complete turnkey solutions with excellent dynamic range. And they're basically a single lamp, a manual attenuator, and a detector that give you the ability to completely characterize your sensor imager over its full dynamic range. The V family is based on the same components as the more advanced D, A, and L families that we just walked through. So this platform allows you to easily upgrade at any point in time. And actually, the modularity of the Helios Plus line is what allows us to offer the Helios Plus AS family, the application-specific option, where we work directly with you to design a system that meets your specific calibration needs. And that could be designing a 2-meter uniform source, or something with very specific spectral bands. You name it, we're here for it. And so again, with the V family, we have our standard sphere sizes that we walked through a couple times now. We have the thermally stable 150 watt external source. We're making 3000K black body like spectrums. And we have a couple variable attenuator options, so you can adjust light levels without affecting the spectral performance. And they are a manual option shown here. But then we've also added a variable attenuator that can be controlled via software. And again, there is a detector source to help you monitor that output signal. So the one thing that I would note is that all of our systems are calibrated here. We do calibrate all of our systems. All systems will ship with a scalar calibration factor for those detectors, so you know exactly how much light is being output by your system. And so that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me. And just remember that LabSphere has more resources available to you. And if you are looking for a hands-on demo, as hands-on as we can get right now, I'm happy to work with you to set one up. I have a system in my lab that I can sit back and walk through the routines with you, show you how that system functions, what are some of the features of the software, such as hunt and seek routine, which allows you to basically tell the system what light levels you want to step through, and it will go to those levels. So please visit us at labsphere.com. You can email us at labsphere@labsphere.com, and one of us will get back to you right away. So thank you and have a great day. Thank you for joining me.